This autumn, I would like to invite you in to join us for our Autumn Seasons Club. It kicks off the new season where we're going to learn a whole series of brand new techniques. And the new technique we're going to introduce this autumn season is traveling stitches. Now, if you haven't tried these before, it's just an amazing technique. It looks phenomenal and it is deceptively easy to do. So I'm not going to reveal too much about it, but it looks like very small little cables moving back and forth across a garter stitch background. So you can do it either with brightly contrasting colors where it really pops up, or you can keep it very subtle so that there's just a kind of a faint difference between the stitch that's moving in the front and the stitch that's in the backwards. So that's what the technique is going to be. And the yarn is going to be one of our favorites, our very own Nua Worsted. So you're going to get a pair of colors, a few skeins of each color, and you get to pick which particular one you want to do. So this is our seasonal color range. This is our subtle colors. And here we've got a great pop of pink for our brights. So you just pick which one of those you want. And when the season ships, you'll get all of the yarn. You'll get a little couple of small bits of craft goodies that will be appropriate to the technique that we're going to work with. And digitally, all of your patterns and the video workshops will be uploaded for you. And of course, one of the biggest bonuses you will always have with our clubs is that you've got an exclusive forum where you get to chat with other knitters who are in the Seasons Club, talk through what you're making with your patterns, what colors you're using, what's working for you, and sharing tips and techniques, and asking us, of course, if there's something that is tripping you up and you'd like a little bit more help with it. And of course, we will also have our Zoom launch party where the designer of this season's patterns is Eimear Earley, and she'll be joining us and you can ask her all of the questions. So that's what you get in the full club. Digital one is all of the digital content without the physical shipping of goods to you. So you can just work from stash with what you've got at home. So please do come along and join us for this season's club because I think you're not going to want to miss it.